Heyo mga katambay, hey everyone, are you feeling the weekend vibes? Yes? I certainly am. Today, I'm showing you a cool new experience I usually only see in American movies and TV shows. A laundry and lobster. I never imagined there could be such innovation in washing machines. I don't want to compare, but this kind of business has huge potential, especially in your apartments, condos, and schools. Let me show you why I'm so amazed by the idea of using a card to pay a washing machine. It's prepaid and reloadable with either cash or credit card. A normal load for a small or medium-sized wash costs about $2.25, and that usually takes about 30 minutes. Note that dryer is included. You have to pay separately about $1.95. Imagine paying less than $10. It's almost tempting to throw all your clothes in the washer. And the best part, while waiting for our laundry to finish, here's Mr. Lobster, courtesy of Mommy, freshly cooked from the Asian grocery store.
Let me help you at the time. Nasa long table mo?
This is my first time seeing a huge lobster like this. No fancy ingredients, just freshly steamed. Lobster and ginger ale with asparagus. This is insanely good. Look at how big and savory it is. I can literally taste the ocean. I guess that's how you end your Friday. Being productive, facing challenges, and feeling fulfilled.